Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best 15,000 watt generator you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best 15,000 watt generator in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DKK Dual Dash Cam. The Dual Dash Cam M08 is equipped with a 1080 pixel front and inside camera. Its wide angle, front 170 degree and cabin 140 degree, allows you to have full monitoring inside and outside the car while driving the car. It's the reliable partner for daily commute, especially for taxi driving, road trips. The Dual Dash Cam M08 is equipped with a 1080 pixel front and inside camera. Its wide angle, front and cabin, allows you to have full monitoring inside and outside the car while driving the car. It's the reliable partner for daily commute, especially for taxi driving, road trips. When the SD card is full, the newly recorded videos will overwrite the oldest video. Built-in G sensor, when the car is hit, the video will be automatically locked and retained without being overwritten. Or you can, by pressing the lock button, lock and keep the video you want. The 32GB SD card is already inserted inside the dash cam. You don't need to prepare SD card. Turn on the dash cam, format the SD card and use it. The Dual Dash Cam has more functions like parking monitor, voice recording, screensaver, photo function and so on. Mounting and cabling is also really easy. We added extra tools, crowbar and cable clips, to help you install the Dual Dash Cam better and faster. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Dual Dash Cam is Lumto Dual Dash Cam. The dash cam can simultaneously record front and interior of the car with 1080 pixel full HD video and audio. The dash cam can provide crisp and clear video evidence in the event of a car accident or dispute while driving more at ease. The front lens viewing angle reaches 170 degrees to both sides of the front of the car and records completely without blind spots for safe driving. The interior lens of 140 degrees is sufficient to capture a full view of your car's interior and occupants. With parking monitoring turned on, the car dash cam can record when your car is hit while it is parked. The driving recorder is easy to install on the windshield with a suction cup mount. Mini hidden shape won't distract driving vision. No complicated settings, plug and use. The car dash camera can record video with the screen turned off while you use the screensaver feature. Super Infrared Night Vision Uber Dash Cam's 1080 pixel recording and HDR technology, the image and video qualities are still clear and detailed even at night. In addition, the interior car cam is capable of capturing clear video in the dark with 4 infrared lights. This is well suited for taxi drivers who are mainly on the road late at night. In order to provide a better user experience, this car camera is equipped with a special designed 64GB micro SD card. Third pick in our list is Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. The most popular and widely spread Uber dash cam for rideshare and taxi drivers in the market. Best dash cam pick by Wirecutter, Business Insider, CNET, BGR, Forbes, Dashcam Talk, Rideshare Central, Their Dasher Guy, Uber People etc. Stable performance thanks to powerful Sony Starvis CMOS, 4 infrared LEDs and other features, longer lifespan high-end dash cam than other cheaper dash cams. Unlike typical dash cams that utilize Sony sensors for both cameras, the N2 Pro uses a better sensor for its front camera to ensure the best visibility. So in addition to dual 1080 pixel recording, it also comes with 2.5K 2560 by 1440 pixel 30 fps or 1920 by 1080 pixel 60 fps single front recording, which is the best image quality dual dash cam in the market. The main part of this camera that stands out from the competition is the infrared night vision provided on the interior camera pointed at passengers. Supports external memory capacity up to 256 GB to meet your need of long-time recording, while the other dash cams in the market are usually 32 GB. While other cameras claim to have night vision, but the Vantrue N2 Pro can provide clear footage even with no lighting. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Pruvio Dual Dash Cam. The cabin cameras have an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights. In addition to producing incredibly clear recordings, its image performance will be far superior to that of other dash cams at night. The two cameras also have the latest, most sensitive night vision image sensor integrated right into them, so they can capture stunning images even in pitch black spaces at night. Each of the front and cabin cameras records in 1080 pixel at 30 fps or in single channel 2160 pixel at 24 fps multiple resolution options. Each camera has a 150 degree wide angle and a maximum viewing angle of 300 degree with nearly no blind spots. The 2.0-inch LCD size enables for a wider, clearer vision. Your driving position and speed are correctly recorded by the built-in GPS. You can view your driving route and tracker. For family road trips or use with Uber, Lyft, taxis, or cabs. To leave it running while parked, you must get an ACC hardwire kit with low battery voltage sensing. Dash cameras can be a well-hidden witness to the road in front of them, thanks to their distinctive low-profile design. The two cameras may be turned 50 degrees left and right and 180 degrees forward and backward. To assure indefinite loop recording, the oldest unlocked footage will be automatically erased when the memory card reaches its maximum storage capacity. Supports Class 10 or above micro SD cards up to 512 GB and loop recording for 1, 2, or 3 minutes. Once the built-in G sensor senses a collision, the D30 dash cam will automatically lock the currently recording footage as evidence of an event. Loop recording will not overwrite the locked files. Last in our best dual dash cam list is Limto Dual Dash Cam. The dash cam featuring high-resolution 4K front camera and 1080 pixel cabin cam. With new CMOS sensor and f1.8 aperture gives good picture quality in both light and dim setting with natural color. The dash cam added protection of video while driving for Uber, Lyft, taxi and other rideshare drivers. The interior camera has infrared lights for night vision and is go up to about 7 to 8 feet inside vehicle, help to make out detailed features of the person in night time. It not only captures crystal clear images of driving the car, but also truly captures all action visible from the side windows. The mini dash cam is easy to install on the windshield without blocking any view, but front and rear dash cameras are wide enough to capture all the action. The 170-degree front camera will captures at least 4 traffic lane in front of the vehicle. The interior camera is wide but not distorted to capture the some rear and side windows. The parking monitor will turn on the dash cam if an impact is detected when parked. It helps to capture important evidence in the event of a hit and run. For details, let's watch more.